Hello guys, how's everything? Well done. How's been your trade so far? I'm glad to see you watching my channel. Thanks so much. Do well to subscribe and learn one or two things from this analysis. So these are analyze my gold. You want to trade gold and sleep like a baby. So this is how to do it. You go to the monthly time frame, then look for what's going on there. From what I've seen here, I noticed that gold showed previously showed a triple top. How did I know it showed a triple top? How did I know? I went ahead and take a rectangular tool. Let me show you. This is a rectangular tool. Then I push it up. So it marked those three zones, 1, 2, 3 zones that touches the rectangle. That make it a 3-top pattern. So after this, what is the next thing? Then let me go to the lower time frame, like weekly. Maybe I can get another clue on how to enter this trade. So the clue I'm getting here, the first clue I get here is I see some certain liquidity around this side, previous liquidity, which if I extend that zone, I believe price is going to come down to that side and I can make use of the area for an important entry, a profitable entry. So this is how I do it. I went ahead and take my rectangular tool again so as to mark those areas, to mark it out. As a price action trader, you must know how to mark out those zones. So I'm marking it. These are the previous zones here. So I'm marking them out. So yes, I've marked it out now. So then what's the next thing? I noticed that if I shrink this interface, I noticed that this trade is coming down. It's going to sell. Then how can I benefit from this sell? How can I make my entry? How can I make my entry? So let me move to the lower time frame, like daily time frame. So this daily time frame, I've already shrunk it now. This daily time frame is showing me I can make use of my counter trend line or my trend line tools. So this is my trend line tools, and let me mark it out. So this is my trend line tools. So I've used it to mark the zones out. So when I mark these zones out, I'm expecting prices to break the zone and also break the counter trend line, retest, then I will now enter into the trade. So what I did before I entered the trade was to go to the 4-hour time frame again. 4-hour time frame again. When I go to the 4-hour time frame, look at what happened. Let me show you. So look at it. Price came down a little bit. It came down a little bit. It retested. I did not enter that time. It came back again. It retested the second time, and I now entered into that trade because that's another area of liquidity which I made use of. As I enter, look at my SL, my stop loss. Look at my entry. It almost get to that point, but because I put my SL above the previous high, above the previous high, but I know that if it's going to take that particular high, it will take a long time before you take it up. But this price failed to move to the previous high to form equal high, so that price can come down. So the price refused to go up, and from there I know that this particular trade is going to sell. So I pull my trigger, I sell the trade, and started coming down. So this trade, I entered this trade last week Thursday, I think last week Thursday, and got so good. The trade has been moving well, and this is it. So my second entry, I just enter this second entry this afternoon. Let me also show you how I entered that one. Let me go to the daily time frame. Go back to the daily time frame. I'll show you another for liquidity, another zone for liquidity. I show it. Let me show it. Let me show it. So this is another area of liquidity. This is another area of liquidity. This is another area. So I know that it's very difficult for price to move above this region, and that's why I entered this one this afternoon, and God so good, it has been going well. Look at it in the 4 hours. Look at the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame, it move up, retraces, then I cut it, and that's how I've been moving it. So let me now see if there is room for future to for future entry, if I can enter in the future, or to look for maybe my take profit zone or any other one. So from this weekly time frame now, you can see that it's very easy for me to look to see another zone. This another zone is telling me that price cannot go cannot move beyond that region, so, and that's where I'm going to sell my take profit. And this is the zone. You can see how price reacts in that particular region. You can see how price reacts there. You can see it, and that's going to be the next area of liquidity where price will reach before you cannot take your profit. So this third zone is going to be my take profit. I'm going to hold this trade for a couple of weeks, so that I can milk it to the last level. That is the joy of being a position trader. I'm a position trader. I don't trade every day. I only trade when I see that the market position itself some certain level of opportunity, some certain level of opportunity. So with this gold now, I'll be able to make more than 800 pips, more than 800 pips, and I have more than 10 positions running presently on this gold. And if you look at it now, you can see that this trade is going to sell. So if you are scalping gold, you'll be losing money, and that's how I've been trading it. So do well to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, share it with other people that of the same mind, and don't hesitate to subscribe, like it, comment, and share it. I really appreciate it, and I was expecting your comments on this video. These comments will go a long way to assist us better the video quality and some other things, so that every other people can also learn from some of these strategies. This is a complete price action strategy, without any indicator. I never use an indicator to assume or to guess or to predict or to can cross over is moving to one. No, this is a complete price action strategy, and that is the best way to trade. So I wish you the best in your future endeavor. Thanks so much. Thank you so much.